Thank you. Namaste friends, my name is Cassius Khan and I am an artist resident here at the Anvil Center, New Westminster. And in the last video we discussed the Raga Bhageshri, and now I will discuss Bhimpalasi, which is another raga in the Kafi group or in the Kafi Tata. Bhimpalasi today is the most important representative of the Dhanashri group, which includes Dhani, Patdeep and Pilu. These ragas usually omit the Re and the Dha note, or the Re and Dha is Varjit in the Arohan, and have a strong Pa in the distinctive movement Ma Pa Ga. And in 17th century India, the main scale of Dhanashri, which is in today's Kafi Tat, was considered the general basic scale. So Dhanashri was a major raga until the 1900s. It appears in numerous Ragamala paintings at a tearful young lady who is painting a picture of her absent lover. So judging from Ahobala's treatise in 1665, the melodic structure of Bhimpalasi was very similar to now, but other authors mention a type of Bhimpalasi that had a Komal Dha and a Komal Re as well, which is a flat Dha and a flat Re, which is quite interesting. The Arohan begins from the knee, which is raised and it's oscillated in the Arohan. And the Sa, Ma and Pa are important notes on which the phrases will end. The movement Ma Pa Ga with typical oscillation of Ga is frequently used in the Avrohan to bring out the proper sentiments of this raga. The symmetrical phrases Ni Dha Pa and Ga Re Sa are also in its character. And the slow means are slides, and the oscillations and intonations of Ni demand great control, and I'll show you how we demand the control in the Ni in this raga. These movements will bring out a solemn sweetness in a very serene and peaceful mood. So the Arohan and the Avrohan. The Arohan goes Ni Sa Ga Ga Ma Pa Ni Ni Sa, and the Avrohan Sa Ni Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The pakar of this raga goes like this: Pa Ni Sa Ga 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 Re Sa Re Sa Re Ni Sa Ma Ma Pa Ga Ga Ma Ga Re Sa Ni Sa Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Pa Ni 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 Dha Dha Pa Ga Ga Ma Pa Ni Ni Sa Sa Re Ni Sa Ni Dha Pa Dha Ma Pa Ga Ma Sa Ga Ma Pa Ga Ma Ni Sa Ga Ga Ma Pa Ma Pa Ni Dha Pa Ni Sa Ga Ma Pa Ni Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Ga Ma Re Sa. So this is how Bhimpalasi is sung. This is how the notes are sung in the Arohan, Avrohan and Pakar. I hope you guys enjoyed Bhimpalasi. Bhimpalasi is also one of my very favorite ragas. So namaste, see you again.